I have a client, John Smith, who has a property with $2 million and a bank borrowing of $500,000. He has a daughter who is estranged from, who's a solicitor. He is 75 years of age and is extremely concerned that she is going to make life difficult for his second wife because he wants to leave the property to her on his death. We want to install the protector. Can you go through all the steps of the Family Protection Trust? His second wife would be the obviously a beneficiary. Should be the next in line as a family protection appointer. He's the first one, and then his son John will be the next in line, and his estranged daughter Sally, the solicitor, would be left out. So please go through all the steps. And you can even do perhaps through this, make a formal proposal for him that to go ahead with this strategy is going to cost $8,500 for the actual protector, an additional $2,500 for a family protection trust. So please draft that to him and then we'll go from there. So again, this does proposals, it does everything. And it's not that difficult because all I've done is I've just dictated. And the good thing is dictates, it's actually good. So look, you've got it all there, you can change it, but I don't find it. So now I can do two things. As I said, the 4, you've already seen 4 in action. It's pretty, it's good roundabout. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this model 03. Oh, probably not. I'm going to stick with 4 because it's, actually I'm going to show you that I'm going to copy and actually I'm going to do this. I'm going to do 4 and I'll show you the difference. So again, it's going into its knowledge base, it's going in through ID docs, it's going through this, and now it's going to come up with something. So again, based on my instructions. Okay, so I've got residential overview, the strategy, establishment family protection trust, total cost estimate. Establish a family protection trust. John is the initial one. Second wife is the second tier, so we'd have to put exclude Sally. There you go. I didn't give her the second wife's name. Deed of gift and assignment for the equity in the property. Deed of loan and mortgage. Install the protector. Testamentary documents and SMSF alignment. So make sure that they're both aligned and going maintenance. Why the strategy, and then if you want, you can do it a Word document proposal. So I'm going to do this now just to show you the difference. So that's not too bad. It's like, yeah, it's like, well, I mean, it's bloody good if you ask me. I don't know what you guys think, but let me go here. Now I'm going to go to 03 just to show you what it is. Now this gets a little bit more hardcore. So same thing, reasoning it goes in, but this now you can see it's actually thinking. So it's like, well, one is it's off the top of Grant's head, but now it's actually thinking. Now it's using what we call canvas. Canvas means it comes up with this and I can change any little section of it if you want. Now, I don't know about you guys, but yeah, it's chalk and cheese, isn't it really? Look at that. Yeah. Executive summary, formal proposal, scope of work and sequential steps, who does what, shows you LY legal, practice, conveyancer, costing, Succession Act, that's New South Wales. I'd have to tell whereas Katz and Grossman, would you have to go through next steps, disclaimers, looking at the sections, blah, blah, blah. So I think I'd prefer this one, but it's up to you. You can make a choice.